Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking all about quiet luxury. Let me just, right off the bat, I know you hear what I sound like right now, okay? I have a cold, I don't know what to tell you. I've had it for like 6 days. This is just part of my life, guys. I'm always sick and sometimes we just gotta deal with it, okay? I've been going to work all week like this, and so obviously it's not gonna stop me from filming. So obviously everybody's talking about quiet luxury right now, and it's definitely a hot topic, and I feel like it's something that I kind of just wanted to give you my 2 cents on, let you know how I feel about it. So if you guys are curious on how I feel about quiet luxury, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays, usually at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like quiet luxury, you like loud luxury, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. Recently it's been all about my kids over on stories, so if any of that stuff sounds appealing to you, you should definitely follow me over there. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So just in case you've been living like, I don't know, under a rock for the past couple weeks, or you haven't seen pretty much any YouTube videos recently, I feel like we should talk about what quiet luxury even is. I feel like it sounds very much like what it is, but basically it's luxury that doesn't scream or shout luxury, something that doesn't have a lot of logos on it, something that's not like plastered in just advertisements and monogram and stuff like that. So something like a Celine box bag, or pretty much anything in my classiest handbags video, I'll link it right up here. Almost everything that I list in that video is quiet luxury, something that just doesn't have a logo, it doesn't have monogram, it doesn't, like, if you look at it, you know that it's good quality. It looks like it's expensive, but not because it's screaming that it's expensive, not because it's screaming, hi, I'm Louis Vuitton, hi, I'm Celine, hi, I'm Gucci. The reason that a lot of people are talking about this is because on TikTok, which I almost never am, I'm never on TikTok, pretty much. But on TikTok right now, there's a trend going around where people are basically claiming that if you are from old money, you only look to buy quiet luxury. People that are more like from new money are looking to buy things that are like, I guess, loud luxury, I don't know. Things that have more logos, more monograms. Whether or not that's the truth is not even like the most important thing, but that's definitely a lie. Like, I have seen plenty of people who come from old money who are logoed out. Logoed out. And by the way, old money just means basically like your great 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 grandpa was rich and now you're just still rich. Like, you just have never known what it's like to not have money. And then obviously new money is like you've been broke for however long and just recently you became rich. I gotta say, I don't know why the hell any of this matters in the first place. Like, I personally, who gives a shit? It doesn't matter what your status of money is. When you got your money, it doesn't matter. Everybody has different tastes. So at the end of the day, if you like logos and you come from old money, you're still gonna wear logos. So I really don't understand. I'm sorry, that I don't understand where this came from. But putting that aside, whether or not I think it's true, putting that aside, I don't understand what the point is of striving to look like you come from old money. If you don't come from old money, you don't come from old money, my man. I don't know what to tell you. Like, and it's actually not even your fault that you don't come from old money, so who cares? If you like the aesthetic of quiet luxury, then that is one whole separate thing. Please go off, buy your logoless stuff that costs a lot of money. And I'm not saying anything's wrong with that. Like, if that's what you like, that's what you should do. That's what you should buy. But if you're trying to buy logoless items, bags, clothing, shoes, whatever it is, if you're trying to buy logoless things in an effort to look like your old money, that's a different problem to me. That's a beast that maybe should be tackled. That seems ridiculous for 2 reasons. One, why are you trying to portray something that you are not? That's just the complete opposite of expressing yourself. That's literally expressing someone that you aren't. I don't think that makes any type of sense. But number 2, there are people, like I said, that are old money that wear logo stuff. So it really doesn't matter. If you're from old money, like, people are just gonna know that you're from old money. So to me, just trying to portray that you are when you're not, it just makes absolutely no sense. And again, who even cares? I think we're basically heading in the complete opposite direction that we've been, and I can't say that it makes any type of sense. If you just feel like your aesthetic has changed, then that's one thing, and that's very understandable, and you should do whatever tickles your pickle. But If it's just like, well, logoed items are what was seen as cool, so that's what I'm gonna buy. And then now non-logoed items are what seems like is cool, so that's what I'm gonna buy. That's where it's kind of like a gray area for me. It's kind of like you're just following what you think people want you to do, and that's just not really an expression of style at that point, in my opinion. I mean, at the end of the day, I have no problem with anybody doing whatever they want to do. I mean, truly, like, please live your life for you, do what you want to do. But I think influencing people to lean towards one specific type of luxury or one specific category of luxury, it just makes absolutely no sense to me, because everyone obviously has different tastes. Everybody likes different things. That's a massive bee outside my window. Why is that bee so fat? Obviously, everybody has different style. Everybody has different tastes. Everybody likes different things. So we should not be influencing people to buy quiet luxury. Like, what if I love monogram? What if monogram is my absolute favorite thing in the world, and you're telling me now it's not cool? Now I can only buy quiet luxury. If I'm spending thousands of dollars on an item, and if I want it to be monogram, bitch, it's gonna be monogram, okay? It's gonna be monogram, and if you think that's uncool, that sounds like a you problem, not me. I don't really feel like it's just a you're either quiet or you're loud. I think it's more of a spectrum, and you can kind of be closer to quiet, closer to loud. It really depends on you. Maybe I'm in the middle, but like a little bit closer to loud. That's what I think. Because obviously none of my bags are like screaming monogram, like screaming logos. They all have logos, pretty much every single one of them. But I feel like they're small. They're small enough that they're not like taking over the entire bag. They're not like yelling at you if you're walking across the street. So I feel like in that respect, I'm a little bit more quiet. But at the same time, I do like when it's known that I'm wearing like a designer item. That's just me. Like the Celine box bag, for instance. Like, I love the Triumph, but I do not like the box bag, and they're pretty much the same thing. The only difference is obviously that the box bag doesn't have the actual like Triumph logo on it. So I like the classiness of the bag. I just don't like that it doesn't have any discernible features like whatsoever, because then at that point I'm like, why am I even buying this? Which may mean that I'm buying luxury for the wrong reason in your eyes. That's cool. Everyone's entitled to their own opinions. But for me, that's just how I feel. Like, I want you to know, but I don't want to be screaming at you. If 0 is quiet luxury and 100 is loud luxury, I'm gonna say maybe I'm at like a 65. That's just me. You know, that's my style. If you love screaming out in your outfits, that's what you love, I think you should do that. I think that's a great idea. And if that's what makes you feel cute, do that shit. And if you feel like you feel a little bit cuter, just, you know, being hush hush on the DL with your luxury, then I think you should do that shit. I think that's exactly what you should do. The main point that I want to squeeze out of this video, that I want you to soak up from this video, is I don't think that you should change your style to please any single solitary person on this planet other than yourself. I don't care if your mom hates your clothes. I don't care if your best friend hates your clothes. I don't care if your daughter hates your clothes. Wear whatever the fuck you want to wear. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to bleep that out. And live your life, because style to me is something that should represent you. Even if you are like in sweats and leggings every single day, that's your style, okay? That represents you. That's what you want to wear. For me, clothing is just something that is so personal that, you know, if Janet from down the block says that you should wear quiet luxury, and you want to wear a monogram t-shirt with monogram pants and monogram socks and monogram shoes and a monogram bag, then you could go tell Janet that she can kiss your ass and that you're going to wear what you want to wear, okay? That's where I'm at. Did I come across aggressive saying that? Well, I probably did, but I mean it, honestly. But definitely let me know what you guys think about this whole quiet luxury trend. I mean, honestly, it's just a trend, okay? Like, it's not like this is something new, but it's just trending right now. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I'm definitely interested in knowing. Let me know, what is your style? Do you feel like, if quiet is 0, okay, I want to know this. If quiet is 0 and loud is 100, where do you sit on the spectrum? Okay, I told you guys I'm like a 65. I want to know what you guys think. Like, what number are you? Are you like a 73, 12? Like, I'm really interested in knowing. So definitely let me know in the comments. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, by the way, my nose, I don't know if you can tell, I've been blowing it like crazy. It does not look the greatest, okay? Don't judge me for that.